Hello guys, it's Ernst and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will teach you how to rename unlabeled buttons on your iPhone used with voiceover. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to subscribe on my channel. So let's start. So I will open an app here which I found that has unlabeled button.
Skip and continue. Button. Button. Selected. Button.
So this is the unlabeled button. First, I will activate this button so that I will know what's the use of this button.
Look forward to an adventure-packed weekend with a day tour at Caleria Resort Club. 5th, Caleria Resort notifications. I see notifications.
This is the notifications. So that button is for the notifications.
ICN back 1. Button. Selected. Button.
So this is the unlabeled button.
Home. Button.
To rename this button, all we have to do is we will use 2 fingers and then double tap and hold. Okay, let's do it.
Selected. Button.
Okay, this is the button. Using 2 fingers, double tap and hold, and wait for the sounds.
Alert. Text field. Is editing. Label. Character mode. Insertion point at start.
Okay, let's type notification.
N.
And then hit the save button.
Save. Button. Save. Button. Possible text. Q search.
Okay, let's find out if we have renamed it properly.
Selected. Home. Notification. Button.
So this is the notification button. Let's try to activate.
ICN back 1. Button. Notifications.
Alright.
ICN back 1. Button. Button. P406 selected. Home. Tab. 1 of 4.
So we have renamed the unlabeled button with notification. So that's all. Thank you for watching, and please share this video so that your friends will inform too. And don't forget to subscribe on my channel so on my next video you will be notified. Thank you for watching.